Welcome to this 5 element QiGong set, a beautiful flow that's going to bring us inner harmony and balance. And if you'd like to learn in more depth about the 5 elements, then do check out my course provided in the link below. Let's begin by inhaling and lifting the hands, turning the palms and sinking into our wood posture. Next, inhaling, lifting the hands to chest height, and exhale as we push the hands all the way up to fire posture. Inhale, opening the arms wide. Exhaling, we're slicing those arms across and sinking into our metal posture. Next, exhaling as we lower the hands down for water posture. Inhaling, taking the arms wide, and exhale, bringing the arms forwards and round for our earth posture. Let's repeat all of the 5 element postures with our feet slightly wider so we can sink into that deeper horse stance. Just 2 repetitions of each this time, feeling our flow. And repeating the sequence again with just 1 repetition of each posture. And pressing palms to finish, inhaling as the arms come up and exhaling, focusing on drawing that line right down your midline, centering and grounding. I hope you'll enjoy practicing this 5 element Qigong set, and remember to check out the course if you want to learn more.